My name is Shébani. I am a singer-songwriter and a performer. I started writing songs 2 years ago. I think that was when I started taking songwriting very seriously. I learned how to be confident. Obviously, getting into that whole singer-songwriter, performer really grew my confidence. But then growing up, it wasn't always something that I was comfortable with. Remember those days. When it comes to songwriting, I don't have one specific approach. It could be anything from grabbing my guitar and coming up with a 4-chord progression, recording it on my phone, and then just leaving it. A week later, I'll use that same chord progression to combine or link to lyrics that I wrote last month. Well, I guess I can't do much. Yeah, my themes revolve around truth, mostly. Self-love. Self-love is such a difficult thing, but it is such a beautiful thing simultaneously. It's a very common topic. A lot of people struggle, and a lot of people refuse to talk about it. As an artist, you need to be so honest with yourself. You need to be true to yourself. The way I'm approaching a couple of songs that might be coming up, they're slightly more selfless. I want to share my experience regarding a topic or two that I've struggled with my whole life with others, only to tell them that you're not alone. I've felt that too. A lot of others feel that too. So I'm gonna use my own platform to point that out, to make sure that everybody knows that it could happen to anybody. That you don't even know what you do. So I wrote a song. So at some point I was washing the dishes and this idea struck me, and I thought to myself, if this room was to be on fire right now, instead of asking myself, what would you take with you and run away? I thought, what would you leave in the fire to burn down and start a new chapter? What would you leave to burn? What I would like to see more in the industry is involvement from women and supporting women. I would love to see an all-women lineup. I would love to see that.